Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Abby in his demon form from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles down, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's bring it out on top. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and up. And then inside for the pupil, let's draw 2 curves meeting at a point at the bottom. Next, for each of the eyes, let's hop out and let's draw another curve down from the outside. And then on top, let's add one more curve across. And that's it for the eyes. Now on top, let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw an angle up on top of each eye. Then a small line up in the center. And then let's bring it back out. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out next to the eyebrows and let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. Now underneath, let's angle it in slightly for the sides of the face. And now let's bring it down and in, leaving a gap in the middle. And then a curve across for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's move in and let's draw a curve in the middle for the nose. And then a line across underneath for the mouth. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the ears. On both sides, let's draw a curve up and bring it back in underneath. Next, we're going to hop up and we're going to draw the brim of the hat. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve across. Now inside the gap, we can draw the hair. On both sides, let's draw a curve down on top of each ear. Then let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and up on top of the left eye. Another one next to it. And then curve it down and over. Now let's move over and let's draw a curve going in and out in the middle here. And another one on the right side. And then let's curve it over to the right to close it off. And that's it for the hair. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the hat. From both ends, let's curve it up and in, leaving a gap in the middle. And then let's draw a curve across. Now on top, let's draw 2 angles up and in. And close off the top of the hat with a curve across. And then inside the top section, let's draw another curve across at the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then let's bring it out for the shoulders. Next, underneath the shoulders here, let's draw 2 long lines down for the sides of the jacket. And then for the collar, let's angle it out and in. Now let's move in and let's draw another angle underneath. And then angle it back down towards the center. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 curves underneath the neck for the necklace. And then underneath this, let's draw another curve across for the top of the shirt. Next, let's hop underneath on the right and let's draw a curve over to the left and bring it back down on the right side. Now start on the left near the top and let's draw another angle down and bring it down underneath. And now at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves across for the waist. Next, we're going to hop inside the top section of the shirt here and let's draw angles down and the same thing going in the opposite direction. And that's it for the inside shirts. Now let's hop out and let's continue drawing the jacket. At the bottom, let's continue both of the lines by bringing it down and curving it out. And then another set of lines down on both sides. Now inside the jacket on the right, let's add some chains. Let's draw 2 curves down and over. And then underneath, a curve down and up. And the same thing underneath. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's bring it down on both sides. And then curve it in at the bottom. Now at the bottom here, let's draw the hands. Let's start underneath on the inside and let's draw a curve in and out for the thumbs. Now for the next finger, let's draw a bent line next to the thumbs and bring it back up in the same way. Now for the next finger, let's draw a curve next to it and bring it up. And the same thing for the next finger. And then for the last finger, let's start at the top and do the same thing. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now we're going to hop back up and draw the string of the hat. Let's start underneath the hat on the left and let's draw a long curve down across the belly and back up on the other side. Next, we're going to add the beads on the string. Let's start at the top and let's draw a small black circle on both sides. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 circles next to each other. And continue working our way down, alternating between 1 bead and then 2. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the waist in the center here, and let's draw 2 angles down to the bottom like this. Now let's hop out underneath the coat and let's draw 2 lines down. And then let's curve it out and down for the tops of the feet. And close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the boots. Let's draw a curve across inside each leg here, like this. Then at the bottom of the boots, let's draw another curve across for the soles. And then let's add a curve down at the front of each toe. Now inside the boots at the top here, let's draw 2 curves in. And a line down. And let's do 2 more underneath on both sides. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a line down. And let's continue it between the rectangles and over at the bottom. And then inside each of these, let's draw an X shape for the shoelaces. And that's it for Demon Abby. Now let's quickly color it in. And let's remember to add the demon marks while we're coloring. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!